How to buy fashion products on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, browse through the clothing category or use the search bar to find the specific products you want to buy. You can filter the results by brand, size, color, or price range to quickly find your preferred items. Once you find the fashion product you like, click on it to open the product details page. Here you can check the product description, sizes available, materials, and customer reviews to make an informed choice. After deciding, select the size, quantity, or color and click the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or proceed to checkout. At checkout, enter your delivery address, choose a payment method, and confirm your order. Make sure to review your order details carefully before placing it. Once your order is confirmed, you can track its status until it's delivered to your door. Now you know how to buy fashion products on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.